Hello, I'm Sophie D'Souza. Welcome to my channel. I have a little experiment today, just a short video, and I will be exploring the notion that glass cuts differently depending on the temperature, which is something I've heard, but I don't know whether it's true. So I've got one piece of glass in the freezer, one in the fridge, one in my mum's house, which is possibly one of the hottest places in the planet, and one in my workshop. So we'll give it a little go and see if there's any truth to it. So here's my glass. Actually, it turned out that the temperature today is 6 degrees, which is the same temperature as my fridge. So we've just got these three. Let's have a go at the one that's been in my mum's house. My workshop, well, fridge, same thing. Freezer. Ooh, didn't that sound different? Let's do it again. Let's do the score lines and feel the snap. I think this one cuts a bit easier, the warmer one. Ah. Right, so that's quite interesting. The 18-degree one held together really well, although it felt a bit snappier when I snapped it. Let's do another one in case that was a fluke. I already scored there. Let's score here. Not got much glass left, have I? Okay, that's going to be a bit challenging because it's quite close to the edge. I'm not surprised that bit broke. So my conclusion is probably that there's not really any difference. Yeah. Okay. So they did definitely all sound different when they broke. I'm not convinced they actually are better or worse to work. So does glass cut differently when it's warm or cold? It certainly feels like it snaps differently. You hear a different tone, but actually the quality of the cut doesn't seem to be any different. So in answer to my hypotheses, does glass cut differently depending on the temperature? A bit, but not significantly. So has that been useful, interesting? I don't know, you decide. Thank you for watching. Check out my other videos and please like, comment and subscribe.